Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Arshad, and in our last lecture we learned how we can create a column toggle report and reflow reports. And today we will learn how we can create a report with form. So let's start and open your browser. Here we have create page option, create page report, and here we have report with form option. So click on it and basically create report with form. Basically create two pages, one for report and the other for form. And form is used to update selected record, and we can use the same form to create new records. So page number of the report is 14, and name of report page is report with form, and form page name is employees information. Okay, here we have a report type. Which type of report you want to create? As we learned in our last lectures, we can create different types of reports: interactive reports, interactive grid, classic report. So select one of them, what type of report you want to create. And then form page number is 15, and then we have an option to create form as a normal form or model dialog. uh, Next, then select create a new navigation menu entry. Next, and here we need to provide a data source. So we are going to show and create new entries for our employees tables. So select employees and next, and here we have our option to create a primary key. So if your table has primary key, select this option, select primary key column, and then you have to select primary key column. If your table don't have primary key column, then you can select first one option, which is raw id, and it is managed by Oracle database. So I am going with managed by database. Create. So it will create two pages. Here you can see two pages are created. Click on save and go to your application, and here you can see 15 and 14. 14 is a report with form, which is our report, and page number 15, which is employees information, and it is a form. So click on your report and run your page. So here you can see it is just like a interactive report or interactive grid. You have search option, you have different type of actions which you can perform on this report. And one thing which is not available in our interactive grid, and that is edit button. Here left side you can see we have a edit option. So when I click on edit, it will move to a new page, which is our employees information. So if I change any, let's suppose I want to change salary of the employees 18,000, and when I click on apply changes, it will update employee information which we have changed over here, and redirect to the report page. So apply changes, so it is moved to your report. So click again on edit, and here we have a button if you want to delete this record and move back to your report. here we have another option which is create. Here you can create a new employee. When you click on create, you will be redirected to your report, and if I cancel, then I will redirect to my report page. So this is all about our report with form. Now let's see structure of our report and form. Go to your page designer. It is our report with form page, and here we can see we have columns. These are the columns, and then we have a button which is a create button, and if I move here, here you can see behavior of this button is target, and here we have page number 15. If I click on this, you can change by clicking on this. You can change page number when I click on create, on which page it must be redirected. So after creation of this report, you can change behavior of or target of your button. And here we have action, and in action I have redirect to page in this application, and then I have redirect to page in a different application. If you have two applications and want when I click on this button, and my I should be redirected to other applications, then you can select this one option. And similarly, we have a redirect to URL and dynamic actions. We will cover dynamic actions in our next videos. So save it and move to your page number 15, which is our form. You can move to any page by entering number of the page and click on go. So this is our employee information form which is used to create new employees. So here you can see we have region body, and region body we have different fields. Hire date is calendar. If I click on create new, and here you can see hire date is a calendar, not a text field. So remaining fields are the same, and then we have different buttons: cancel, create, and save buttons over here. So let's change its click on this page and page mode, change its page mode to model dialog. So this is now this form is a model dialog. Save and click on run. But pages with page model dialog, you cannot run your page directly. Run, so it is saying you cannot run your page because it is a model dialog. So go to your report page, which is 14, enter, and run your report page. So when I click on edit, so now you can see instead of redirecting to other page, it is showing a model dialog. So you can change display of model dialog by changing its template. You can change its template left and right side columns, left side column. So run this. Okay, sorry, we have changed our its report form. Okay, so I want to change 15 form. Go. Okay. Now this is our employees information form. Now change its dialog template to dryer. Okay. Now save and refresh. And now click on edit. So you can see now it's not it is showing model dialog, but it slides from right to left. Similarly, you have multiple options of dialog template. You can choose one of them. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.